Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great at your home. Now we are already done with the chapter waste management. Today we will start doing work of it in our notebooks. So we will start with new words, question answers, that is part D, and part E. So let's start with the new words. First new word is garbage, which is a pile of waste, biodegradable waste, the waste which can be converted into harmless substances, non-biodegradable waste, the waste which cannot be converted into harmless substances, recycling means making something new, using something in a new way, that is called recycling. A waste can be recycled to something new with the help of creativity and imagination. Now number 5 is conserve का मतलब बचाना. Number 6 pollution is the unwanted excess of anything in our air, water, land or soil. Now number 7 is landfills is a type of waste disposal method in which empty land is filled with the waste, it becomes dumping zone. Now number 8 trash is the waste material. जो waste material है वो trash है और जिसमें हम उसे डाल रहे हैं that is trash bin और dustbin. Now number 9 is compost is something which is made up of biodegradable waste and which can be used as manure in our garden, in our kitchen garden. Number 10 is environment होता है हमारे आसपास की जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं वो सब हमारे environment में आ जाती है. Now let's continue with the part D, that is answer the following questions. So first question is, what is waste? Name 3 diseases caused by waste material thrown in open areas. Waste क्या चीज़ है और 3 ऐसी बीमारियाँ जो open area में waste फैलाने से फैलती हैं. So the answer is unwanted or leftover material is called waste, or a such object which has no use to us is waste for us. So that is called waste. Examples are dry leaves, fruit and vegetable peels, leftover food items, glass, plastic and construction waste. And the 3 diseases caused by waste material thrown in open area are typhoid, cholera and plague. Now next is question number 2. Highlight 2 difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. So biodegradable और non-biodegradable waste के बीच में हमें 2 difference बताने हैं. First of all is biodegradable waste is an organic waste. ये एक organic waste होता है like vegetable and fruit peels, leftover food items etc. Non-biodegradable waste is inorganic waste like plastic, rubber, construction waste etc. Now number 2, biodegradable waste can be converted into harmless substances. It can be easily converted into harmless substances, that is compost, whereas non-biodegradable waste cannot be converted into harmless substances, although we can recycle some of it. Now question number 3, what are the benefits of recycling? Recycling के क्या benefits हैं? So first of all, recycling से we can easily reduce the amount of waste. हम amount of waste को reduce कर सकते हैं. It conserves the natural resources. हमारे natural resources like timber, wood, timber and wood is one and the same thing. So timber, water, air, that can be conserved and it reduces the amount of pollution in our environment and ultimately it also saves a lot of energy. Now number 4, mention any 2 methods of waste disposal. Waste disposal के 2 methods बताने हैं. Which one is the best in your opinion? Give one reason. इनमें से कौन सा बेस्ट है आपके हिसाब से, वो रीज़न के साथ बताना है. So let's continue. The 2 methods of waste disposal are recycling and making compost. They both are really wonderful methods, but making compost is my favorite one, as making compost is the best methods of waste disposal because it is not costly at all, rather it benefits us by providing us manure for our kitchen garden. Now question number 5, suggest 2 ways to reduce waste material from our homes, school and offices. 2 ऐसे तरीके जिससे हम वेस्ट मटेरियल को रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं अपने घरों में, स्कूल में और ऑफिसेस में. So the 2 ways of reducing waste material from our homes, schools and offices are by recycling them. हम बहुत सारी आइटम्स जो रिसाइकलेबल हैं उनको रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं. That will reduce our waste. Secondly, by converting the biodegradable waste into harmless substances, that is, yes, compost. हम कंपोस्ट बना करके भी अपने अमाउंट ऑफ वेस्ट को भी रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. Now next is question E. Complete the waste management puzzle with the help of clues given. Clues are given and उस clues की हेल्प से हमें जो puzzle हमें given है waste management पे वो complete करना है. So across का मतलब होता है this direction, right? To use something again is called reuse. So here the number 1, reuse. Now to give away something to someone, किसी को कुछ देना होता है, donate करना. So this is donate. Then number 4, something useless is called trash, and this is number 4, trash. Now downward हम देखेंगे तो converting a useless article to a useful one is called recycle. This is recycle. कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो यूजलेस है उसको जब हम यूजफुल आइटम में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो उसको हम रिसाइकलिंग कहते हैं. द बैग कैन बी यूज्ड अगेन. अ बैग दैट कैन बी यूज्ड अगेन इज द क्लोथ बैग. सो दिस इज क्लोथ. Number 5, and the last is a dash bucket can be recycled. That is plastic bucket. Plastic bucket can be recycled very easily. हम उससे pot बना सकते हैं, उसे kitchen garden में use कर सकते हैं. We can recycle it to make a stool for sitting. We can also recycle it in our kitchen garden. So there are many ways of recycling plastic bucket. This is all for today. Bye bye. Take care everyone.